Welcome to my new gadget for filming with the car. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo Pack Gimbal. This is going to help with some of my car videos. Let's get it open. Comes well packaged. Let's see what's in the box. The main thing. Okay, let's start with the box first. First thing we see, it's got pamphlets, where to download the app, how to set it up, your warranty information, consumer law there as well. It's in several languages, so it should be quite easy to follow, finding your correct language. It's in the first one. Okay, we have your lanyard, wrist strap, whatever you want to call it. It's quite good quality. It's got the DJI symbol on it. This is like a bag, which is it's good material. It's soft, so shouldn't scratch it by storing it in there. Last bit of the box. So I've got a charging cable, USB C, I think. What's quite good is the QR code on the end of the charging cable, so if you do lose it and you want another one, you scan it in on your phone and get another one, but I'm sure everyone's got spare ones lying around the house. This is interesting. This is the tripod handle. It comes in the combo kit. Spreads out quite wide. Hopefully it should keep a fairly decent balance. It's got rubber stoppers on the bottom as well. And it's a standard thread, which most camera tripods have the same, so it fits in. So you can use a normal tripod with the gimbal, especially if you want a higher sort of shot. This also doubles up as a handle, so you can stretch it out a bit further. I'm assuming these are rubber stop pads for the actual gimbal holder. Yeah, it actually says if required you can use the anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone to the phone holder on the gimbal. They're in black and white. onto the main bit. The box. Nice little carry case with the DJI Osmo. It's a hardback case as well, zipped all the way around, but that way you can keep it in the bag, in the case. That's where the stickers will go. You can see that, because that's the shape of them anyhow. The charging port on the side. Instructions on the top. Just tells you how to forget your Bluetooth. But it tells you to activate it, you've got to use the app for the first time, and I'm assuming the QR code takes you to the app to download onto your mobile phone. Overall, I think it was well packaged piece of equipment. It's well designed from some of the tutorials I've seen, and works quite well. I will do a review of it, but this is my new piece of kit for my arsenal in doing car videos. So bear with me till I get used to using it properly, and I'll upload some more footage. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo Gimbal.